people impacted by these fires are going to receive one-time payment of $770, one-time payment, so they can quickly purchase things like water, baby formula, and prescriptions. So far, nearly 6,000 survivors have registered to do just that.
What did you save in the fire?
I lost everything.
What did you love and lose in the fire?
I lost everything.
The house was built by my mother and father in 1960. I was out here hosing the house down and getting ready, and when the houses started to burn, I didn't see one single fire truck out here at all. Zero.
This is my house.